Hi everybody, how are you? Hope all is well. So now this is a virtual or e-invitation to all the chairmen, directors, board of directors, executives, corporate houses sitting in Mumbai or Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta or Chennai. So you all are most welcome. All business owners, CMDs, chairmen, all are most welcome to attend my seminar which I am conducting on 31st October 2021, that is tomorrow, day after tomorrow. So this is all about transforming India, transforming corporate India, transforming India incorporation, and how to make India a superpower within 9 years and taking its GDP from a meager $3 trillion presently to $30 trillion. Thus, I'll be giving a 10x effect, and this is a life-changing moment for all of you, because this will affect your businesses, and you will see that within 10 years, your businesses will be giving an effect of 10x. So Reliance is a $300 billion company. It will become $3 trillion company, equal to maybe the most valuable company on planet Earth, with revenues or market capitalization greater than Apple, Facebook, or Saudi Aramco, the giant petrochemical companies, or ExxonMobil. So the strategies will be discussed during the session. This is a 5-hour seminar. It starts from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. and lunch will be served in between from 1 to 2. And balance time will be discussing, brainstorming, question and answer sessions. Other speakers are also there who will speak on infrastructure, developing infrastructure, because this is a huge spending has to be there on infrastructure, which is, as per me, it is $15 trillion for next 10 years. So I'll be discussing on how to arrange these funds, what is the best way, what is the method of repayment, and I'll be touching upon how to take helicopter money, then this, how to achieve this, what all infrastructure requirements are there, what this infrastructure includes what all. So those things will be discussed in macro to micro details. So let us meet at Courtyard Marriott, that is day after tomorrow, 11 a.m. sharp. And then on my second presentation to all the corporate houses and all the economists, all the chairmen, owners, directors, business owners, CEOs, CMDs, and presidents, vice presidents from all metros, pan India, they are most welcome on 15 November at Taj Hotels near Sindhu Bhavan at Ahmedabad. So there I'll be discussing, what I'll be discussing is what is the present day scenario of the economy. What is the present day scenario of the economy? What are its various constituents? What are the various sectors? There are around 70 sectors, the 70 major sectors of the economy, which we will be discussing on 15 November, how they are doing, what is the problems faced, what are the issues, major issues, and how to resolve them, how to help government in resolving these issues on a real-time basis. And I'll be advising Mr. Modi and his team, his cabinet ministers, on day-to-day basis through LinkedIn. You just can follow my LinkedIn updates, and my name is Shailesh Gang, so you can just search on LinkedIn. Every day I am updating what are the real-time issues and day-to-day problems faced by the common man, the taxpayer, for which the government has to work on top priority. Like one example I can give you, that every day we are cursing government for the bad shape of internal roads. Everywhere there are potholes. The rain or monsoon comes and the roads are in bad shape. and this is the minimum basic requirement a government has to do. But for 70 years, 75 years after independence also, none of the government has taken this work very seriously, and I think this should be done by the government of India on top priority, the priority number one. Then the second priority we'll be discussing is the ease of doing business. This is one most important thing which the government of India should do in order to get maximum foreign direct investment, maximum foreign portfolio investments. Because once the ease of doing business comes to 15 days, how we say 15 days? Because any new business, any foreigner a foreign investor investing in India, it takes normally 6 to 1 year to get all approvals, statutory approval. There are 35 approvals required to start a work. So 1 year, definitely 1 year goes in all these bureaucratic procedures. That's why I have been advising Mr. Modi ji to digitize India, to transform India. Digital transformation has to happen, and it is a yesterday's requirement, has to be done today. It is basically a yesterday's requirement but has to be completed today. So let us start digitalization, the digital transformation. Let us start it today, and within say 6 months, by deploying Deloitte, KPMG, Ernst & Young, Bain Boston Consulting Group, or Bain Consultancy, or any management consultant for that matter, we need to give a target that they have to complete the task in 6 months, in 3 months rather, by deploying maximum mobilization of manpower, having a maximum mobilization of manpower across, let us say, one city first, one metro city first, and then replicating the entire procedure, forms, e-forms, and everything same to all other cities, to all other towns, to all other cities, to metro cities, so that the ease of doing business becomes easy, getting a business permit, getting electricity connections, getting cross-border business, all these 9 criteria for ease of doing business, we should get ranked number 1 by the help of Deloitte or KPMG or any consultant for that matter, and so that we get maximum FDIs. The FDIs are a tune of 35 trillion US dollar. It's a big amount. If we need to spend 50,000 crores also to give this contract to Deloitte and KPMG, we need not bother. Let us do it now. Let us bring in the best international consultants. And how Dubai has been digitized, how Singapore has been digitized, how USA has been digitized, how China has been totally, digital transformation has happened for all these developed countries. Why not India? The time has come, and now the next 100 years are for India. The West and Europe is down, tired and down, and there is no growth, but the growth lies here. Now we need again to get our legacy back, which was there in 17th and 18th century, with 35% market share of the global GDP or the global business exports. So 35% was the global exports out of 100% exports the globe was doing. With this, nobody can stop us from getting to superpower number 1, and this will be detailed with the micro details discussed, and your questions and answers, your doubts will be answered. All the doubts of RBI Governor Mr. Shaktikant Das will be answered. So it will be a very interesting session where brainstorming of the best minds will be happening, and as a global leader I will be giving real-time solutions. So whether that is acceptable to the government or not, that can be decided on the same day, and we can move ahead with this my solutions, implementing my solutions. So that what all is required in India is the latest infrastructure, the best infrastructure. We Indians require it now, we require it today. And if the government is giving a deferred infrastructure will be happening in 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, that is of no use. We need to create infrastructure in next 5 years and by 2025 we must be equal to USA, China, Singapore, Dubai. That type of aesthetic buildings, that type of infrastructure, everywhere automation, digital transformation has to happen. So let us deploy these management consultants to get India digital transformed. So see you at Sindhu Bhavan Road on that is Taj Hotels on 15 November. Till then, bye bye. And for regular updates, you can just check my LinkedIn, because daily I'll be updating the issues and the resolutions on real-time basis. Thanks for your time. Bye.